Hi, everyone. My name is Katie Anderson, and I'm an attorney in the Albany office of Schoeneck King. And thank you again for joining us for another 2-minute recap of some of the things that are happening in New York this week. The biggest news item I think that's worth sharing with all of you is about the governor's issuance of a new state of emergency for COVID-19. Governor Hochul issued this state of emergency. It's executive order number 11 on November 26th. This state of emergency is much more slim than the other state of emergencies for COVID-19 that many of you are likely used to from earlier in the pandemic. The reason for that is this governor now, because of the legislature's repealing of the law that granted the governor the power to issue directives, has only the power to suspend or modify currently existing statutes or regulations. So this executive order is pretty narrowly tailored, especially in comparison to the other executive orders that we have dealt with in the past. So what does this executive order do? The most important thing is that it allows for the implementation of surge and flex. What does that mean? It means that hospitals that reach a capacity of 90% of the beds being full may need to postpone their non-essential elective surgeries in that hospital until we've reached below that 90% threshold of beds being used. Why is that? Because this will allow for freeing up beds for COVID patients. The other things that this executive order does is it suspends certain provisions of the state finance law to allow for the procurement of goods and services related to COVID-19 in a more efficient way. So you don't have to go through that lengthy government contract process. Finally, what else does it do? It is allowing the governor to deploy the National Guard, who are trained as EMTs, to nursing homes and long-term care facilities. This comes down under the umbrella of the surge and flex categorization. But what does that do? It will allow nursing home residents who are in hotspot areas, who have recovered from COVID-19 and are still in hospitals, to go back to their nursing homes. Why do they need the National Guard in those nursing homes? Because those nursing homes have had a shortage of staff and don't have the beds, the staff to take back the nursing home residents who are currently hospitalized for COVID. So those are the biggest updates this week regarding COVID-19 out of Albany. And I hope that you all stay healthy and well. Have a great day.